that, I need to get off the stage. But before I do, I could have no higher honor than to introduce one of this state's longest-serving and indefatigable leaders, a devoted friend of the Boeing Company, and most relevantly today, my personal friend, Senator Hugh Leatherman. Senator Leatherman.
Judge, thank you. At least you just microphone for me. That made it easy. Judge, thank you for a very gracious introduction there. Allow me to say how thankful and appreciative I am. It means a great deal. Governor Haley, honored colleagues, distinguished guests, Boeing team members, and all citizens of South Carolina, we're here today for a traditional ceremony that represents the tremendous relationship between Boeing and our great state of South Carolina. This relationship was formed and built with the help of folks like Senator Lindsey Graham, Lieutenant Governor Glenn McConnell, Speaker Harrell, Senator Paul Campbell, Secretary Hitt, former Secretary Joe Taylor, and former Secretary Bob Faith is the reason we continue to create jobs for our people. And the reason I mention former Secretary Bob Faith, Judge, I know you recall, he's the one who brought the building. I want to make sure he had that acknowledgement. Boeing, South Carolina, day by day provides untold resources to thousands. More important than that, represents the highest level of trust between the people of South Carolina, their work ethic, and the world's biggest and best aerospace company known to man. The commitment of Phase 2, which we're here today for, further proves that South Carolina is open for business. And this new investment of $1.1 billion and 2,000 new high-paying jobs is a partnership, as the judge said, between Boeing and South Carolina for the creation of a world-renowned aerospace hub. You see, when Boeing commits, Boeing delivers. Just 3 years ago, Boeing committed to invest $750 million and create 3,800 new jobs here in Charleston. As we stand here today, Boeing has not only delivered on those initial commitments 4 years ahead of time, but exceeded over and above by having more than 6,000 jobs on this campus, invested more than $1 billion into the Palmetto State. And for that, Judge, I am truly proud. I want to thank the Boeing people who envisioned the leadership, or had the leadership to envision what we hold today. Folks like Jim McNerney, Judge Ludy, Jack Jones, Marco Cavazzoni, and so many others. South Carolina has one of the only two airplane manufacturing companies in the world, in the free world. And I think that says a lot. And you know, at this facility here, the planes that come rolling out those doors over there are the ones that are built from freezer to flight. It took me a while to understand what that meant. I understand that the material comes in here, it's frozen when it comes in, so I want to make sure I understood that one. As a South Carolinian, I'm extremely proud of what we're accomplishing for so many people. And on behalf of the entire state, allow me to say a sincere thank you to Boeing and Judge Ludy for your incredible relationship and friendship and your continued faith in our state. You know, with the engineering on the 737 MAX that's ongoing, here will be ongoing, I say this, the sky is truly the limit. Thank you, Boeing, so very much for what you're doing for our state.
Thank you, Senator.